Yeah, I say I'm moving, I'm lonely. People changing on me, they don't really even know. I keep a 30 on my waist, you know I gotta keep it on me. Hit a nigga block 24 times like I'm Kobe. You know this life I live, you know this life I dream of. Bitches know that they be tripping.
Are you answering?
Yeah. What the fuck is up, you two? This.
Are you gonna finish that? No? You're not gonna finish it? Can I have it? I can? Thank you. Is there a fork somewhere? No. Oh. I'm not scared of germs. Thank you. Thank you. Free food hack, free water hack. Let's go eat somewhere. Well, boys,
You probably can't hear shit. It's been a fun night. Some free food, bro. It's not good, but we're making it work.
No, bro, no.
Hey, not the phone.
Ah, wait, chill out, bro. Nah, quit it, bro. Give me this shit. No more. No more. Bro, my car is a fucking mess, bro.
Whoever lands more tricks, other person owes him $500.
Yeah, hold your arms in the beginning and let them go out once you're set.
Alrighty, let's do it.
I'm just too terrified to hit the jump, so I'm gonna hit it next cycle. Oh, fuck no, bro, fuck. Woo! Damn. Ah! Almost. Let's go! There we go. Now we got it. Now we can do some board grabs, all that fun stuff. For the board grab. Yes! We got a board grab. It wasn't for very long, but we definitely reached down. We're gonna go for that one more time. If we hit it, I'm gonna detach, recharge. Currently taking the walk of shame back. I didn't fall, I didn't stay in the buoy, so it took me way too far. But we'll be back soon. Called it. There we go. We've low-key got that down pretty nice.
Recover.
Rookie hard in my life.
Oh.
This next part, my brother filmed up and down, so spam elders in the comments, but the clips were too good, so I kept them in.
What up, man? You want a photo? You want a photo? Oh, what up? Smile for your mom.
Thank you. I'm sorry.
No, you're all good.
I didn't do this.
Did you just see the movie? Was it good? Did I look good in it?
I'm glad you just made someone's day. Unfortunately, we cannot have face masks on like that within the building.
My secret identity?
Yeah, I'm sorry. You do have to take it off.
Spider-Man, can I get a picture?
Everyone's. Can I get a photo with him with it on?
Sure.
Okay. Is that good?
Report any suspicious behavior, and please take a moment to find.
Wait, you got any hoes on your phone?
In case of emergency,
You got any ones that look like Gwen?
walk out of the building and
Let me hit them up.
No Gwen.
No Gwens?
No Gwen.
MJ?
No MJ. Wait, I got you. What?
Alright, bet.
Movie fans can't get enough of America's #1 movie theater membership. AMC Stubs.
Oh, I can't see. Hold on, I'm blind. I'm blind.
Pay up to 3 movies
Yeah, I can see now.
every week and get all the extras with no extra fee. All our biggest and best screens are included. Enjoy exclusive savings and rewards.
Does my boats look big? Does my spider boats look big?
Online reservation.
Spider-Man fan. So we got the Spider-Man costume and the spider bolt.
Hey! Yeah, I say I'm moving, I'm lonely. People changing on me, they don't really.
Ammo Rooney's fucking car.